Welcome, everyone, and thank you for checking out my channel. So today we're going to be doing some live trading with gold, silver, and Forex with analysis as well. I recently launched a new program for investors that's going to give you minimal exposure in a high risk environment. So for those of you who don't have a lot of money or don't want to risk a lot of money, my Rush program might be perfect for you. You only need a minimum of $500 or $1,000, and if you like it, awesome. So I'm going to be using some live trading examples with that structure, just so you guys can see how that works. And pretty much when it comes to educational content, my YouTube channel is stacked with information. It would take you months to go through all my YouTube videos. So I think moving forward, I'm just going to focus on live trading videos like once or twice a month. But if you want to trade live with me, make sure you click the join option. And for $99 a month, there's going to be 4 trade sessions that you can do with me per month. And it also includes a free membership to my private group as well. All right, so without further ado, let's get into these charts and hopefully find some good trades. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I wanted to promote my Gold Rush program as I just launched it. And this right here is the first account that is going to be under the Gold Rush program that I gave you guys a preview of earlier. So that's why you see the name of this account is Gold Rush Pilot. And today was the first day I actually placed some trades. Now, this account will not be available to copy from because I'm using 1 to 1,000 leverage. On MKL5, the max leverage for copying is 1 to 500. Okay, so I just want to keep that in mind. And the reason why is because there are accounts that I'm trading as low as $100. So I want to be able to use the full margin. For those of you who live in the US and Canada, you guys are probably understanding that it's very hard to be able to trade gold and silver. If you trade gold and silver through futures, you're probably getting crushed with margin requirements from the brokers. And US brokers don't allow you to trade metals either. So the only way you can trade metals if you live in the US is if you either have a friend or somebody who lives in another country or has dual citizenship that can create an account for you that can give you access to non-US brokers so you can trade metals. But if you join my program, I have the connections to give you world top brokers. XM Global is one of the best brokers in the world. Okay, so when you join my program, you get access to things like this that most people can only dream of. Okay, today was the first day that I placed trades on this account. So I am starting small. I want to start building this up and hopefully have some really good results. All right, so with that being said, let's get into the MetaTrader platform. And let's also use TradingView because I do my analysis on TradingView. And hopefully I can find another trade or two for the purpose of this video. Okay, so the very first thing I want to do is go over my setup. So I'm going to right click and then I'm going to click on depth of market. And when you trade, lots of trades, or you just want you want placing trades to be more convenient, I strongly recommend you guys use the depth of market. All right. So right here, I already have my lot size built into it. and then I'm going to use 50 pips for the stop loss. So keep in mind, everything on your MetaTrader platform is in points. So if you want to use pips, then you have to be able to convert that. All right, and then I'm going to use 1,000 pips for the take profit. Now, does that mean I want to actually make 1,000 pips? Of course I do, but most likely I'm not going to make 1,000 pips, right? So, in this market, I'll probably move the trade. If it's in profit, I'll probably move the stop loss to like break even or in profit. Or if I can get like 50 pips or 100 pips, I might just close the trade. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to place a sell. All right. And in a minute, we're going to go over to my trading view just so you guys can see, uh, you know, why I placed a sell. All right. But as you can see, when I placed this trade, it was, pretty easy, right? And then I can hit close. So let's just say, for example, I place like 5 or 10 trades at a time. All right. And I don't want to have to go through each trade individually and close those trades. I can just hit close and then this will close all the trades. All right. So this is a very helpful tool to be able to trade quickly. And when you're someone like myself who is a hedge fund trader, I have to have things like this to be efficient. Okay. So, for the purpose of an example, we're going to go ahead and close the trade. All right. And you guys can see how simple that was. Now, the account that I just showed you guys on MKL5, you guys will be able to see that trade that I just did on there. Pretty much most of the trades I do are available to the public. All right. I believe there is a lag, so just keep that in mind. Please don't try to manually copy my trades because you guys might be copying trades that are old. All right. But I wanted to show you guys so you guys could see what that looks like. And then you can go to the history, or I go to the history, and then I can see what I've done so far today. So because I'm doing this live and I'm trying to explain and show you guys how I'm doing things, that's why I am keeping this small. Now, if I was doing this just myself, I would probably be doing about 20 to 50 trades on just this account by itself. All right. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. All right. I'm just making this video short and sweet so you guys understand where I'm coming from. All right. Now, in a live trading session, it'd be much different because there's not going to be a time limit. So the live session might be like an hour or two. So I have all the time in the world to answer questions and show you guys things and take my time. But if I make an hour-long video of me just sitting here talking to myself and trading, no one's going to look at the video. All right. So what I want to do now is go over to my trading view so you guys can see why I took that trade. Okay, so now that we're inside of my trading view, we can kind of see the source for how everything all comes together. So when it comes to how I trade, I do all of my analysis on TradingView, and basically I'm just using MetaTrader to place my trades. All right. So there are two main strategies that I find that works very well in today's market, and that is inflection nexus, and that is also trading on the 1 minute time frame. So when it comes to trading like gold and silver and like currency pairs and assets that move very fast, you need a short time frame in order to keep up with the price action. And that is why I am trading off of the 1 minute time frame. If you try and trade gold and silver on like the 15-minute time frame or even like the 1 hour time frame, you're going to miss a lot of critical moments in the price action. And when you have gold that is making 1,000 pip moves every day, and sometimes it's making those moves within an hour, then those longer time frames are way too risky. So it's kind of crazy just on the 1 minute time frame. We can see, massive moves. So like from, 5,080 down to 5,050, that's 300 pips. So, there's a lot of going on in just these short time frames. And if I was to switch to like the 15-minute time frame, we'd be able to see 1,000 pip moves. All right. So, Inflection Nexus, for the most part, is doing a pretty good job. Okay. So, had I taken this signal here, it would have pulled back a little bit, but then I could have closed here. And then the same thing, this wouldn't have been the best trade. It would have been tight. And that's why I said earlier, a lot of times when a trade is in profit, you want to move it to break even so you can trade risk free. So in situations like this, you would have placed a trade and then it would have dropped a little bit. You would have had your stop loss at the break even, and then you would have just closed the trade. And that's a very effective strategy. All right, and you can see Inflection Nexus on the 1 minute time frame is extremely active. So we had a nice buy signal here, and then we had another nice buy signal here, and another nice buy signal here. So with my approach to trading, I can easily do 20 to 50 trades on just one account every single day. And then over, during the week, I mean, I'm doing like hundreds of trades. All right. And even if you have small profits, those small profits add up significantly. All right. And another thing I wanted to point out too is this is a secret, by the way. All right. So, like really pay attention here. So what you'll notice is you have 3 lines. All right. Now the blue line is like an indicator line that doesn't really mean anything. But the 2 lines that do mean something is the price line and the line that's either above it or below it, because that's basically the future price. Okay, you can only really see this on the 1 minute time frame. All right, and the bigger the gap, the stronger the move. So if you watch this for a second, right? So we can see here the price is at 5074.39. You saw how it just jumped up? So we know the price is going to 5075. And look how fast it went to 5075. And then you see that line it keeps jumping up and it keeps jumping up. Well, that's telling you that the price is going to go up. So if that's all you knew, you can just trade this manually with no indicators or anything and just basically follow that red line. And I promise you, you will have at least 90% accuracy doing it that way. All right. And then you can see, the price, it dropped, but that line is still above the price line. So even though this is a red candle, we know the price is going to keep going up. And I've done this quite a bit where all I did was just follow the red line, and I did very well. All right. So this is going to be my Forex video for this month. I'm going to do a video like this once a month. And the next video, I'm not going to explain as much. I'm just going to focus more on trading. I might just have some music in the background or something. So keep that in mind. But make sure if you want to do this live, you subscribe and you can trade with me. You can ask me questions. For those of you who are using Galileo, I'm an expert on Galileo with the MetaTrader platform, so I can answer those questions for you guys as well. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Send me an email. I prefer messages on Messenger, but either way, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here, and take care, everyone.